Hi everyone, I'm Helen. Welcome to Nature's Magic. As we talked last time, today we'll continue to talk about Om with nature's support. So some of you may say that, hey, I don't have the good tea as you suggested last time, and I just have a cup of water. That's good. Seriously, you can do that as long as you have a gratitude and full of love with your heart and respect of the nature. You can experience the same thing. And today, I will introduce you can use essential oil. And I use rose because this is very easy to find. Yeah, very easy to find everywhere, right? No matter you're in America, Europe, or China. Yeah, and it doesn't mean that you need to have very expensive rose essential oil, but just one drop of rose and then smell it. Use your left nostril and then deep smell, inhale with your right one. Pause, breathe out. You can feel that on your each side of nostrils, you can feel totally different. Yeah, this is also very holistic yoga theory in the history. But I will have no time to explain that, but you can just feel it. Totally different feeling via the two nostrils. So then you try the two nostrils, smell it again. Inhale it together. Let the rose, the smell, the fragrance come into the whole body. Come into each angle of your body. And rose is the kind of fragrance that can most benefit female. Yeah, of course, sometimes men also need that, but female definitely. You can imagine that yourself is a rose. And it just want to be blossom. But sometimes we forgot herself. We forgot ourselves. We forgot our rose by nature. So when you inhale the rose, please feel your heart chakra that is around heart area that is full of love and fragrance. And the tender, all this feeling come from the nature rose. And then naturally keep your back straight. And when you breathe in and breathe out with the sound Om. Let's do it together, okay? Breathe in. Feel the vibration. Feel that the vibration not only from your throat, as I talked several times, but through the whole body, through the center of your body, and just spray out. The vibration just spray out slowly, naturally, and we leverage this nature's gift. This time we use rose essential oil. Next time we can use other things. But most thing important that you keep yourself in the center and then feel the fragrance, where the fragrance want to lead you. Okay? Let's try together again. Breathe in. As a practicing aromatherapist, I feel that all this fragrance, essential oil, they can not only just do some specific function use, for example, clean the air or just heal your stomach, but also, and I think more importantly, is that you can find your inner echo to the Mother Nature. For example, this time, the rose. Let's try to echo the inside beauty, inside love, inside tender, with the same vibration of this fragrance. Let's try it the last time. Breathe in. Focus the third eye and also the crown and the whole center. Feel yourself totally expanded. Yeah, expanded without any boundary. And then, try to feel. Try to feel it. No need to talk too much, but feel it. It's going through the whole body, from head to toe. With this beautiful fragrance, have a nice day. See you next time.